So we're going to use this to give us a very uniform shape. So we are just going to roll until we get 2 complete rolls on here. So there's 1, and I see the white coming back there again. I'm going to pull that out. I'm going to compress this, put a little chip clip in there to hold that together, spin that around the other side, and we're going to roll till we see that come back through, and then we're going to pull it out, and then I'm going to just squish this down, and I am going to pull this towards me so that we have a ruffle and curls combined on the same piece of deco mesh called a cruffle. I am taking this and placing this curl side up to the center. The finished edge is going towards the middle. We're going to twist 3 or 4 times, and I'm going to cut off the ends. I'm going to take those ends and tuck them back to the middle.